Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue our trek westward across northern Mississippi on US Highway 72. We begin at mile 69 in Alcorn County. I want to note here that Mississippi does not provide any mile markers on US 72, so we're relying entirely on measurement on Google Maps to give these mile marker locations. We enter the city of Corinth, the county seat of Alcorn County. Corinth was established in 1853 under the name Cross City due to its role as a convergence point for the Mobile and Ohio and Memphis and Charleston railroads. Its current name was suggested by W. E. Gibson, an early newspaper editor, inspired by the ancient Greek city of Corinth, known for its crossroads significance. During the American Civil War, the city's strategic value to the Confederacy was amplified by its location at the junction of these two railroads. After the Battle of Shiloh in April 1862, Confederate General P.G.T. Beauregard retreated to Corinth, followed by Union Major General Henry W. Halleck. In May, General Beauregard left the city as General Halleck approached, leading to the city's capture by the Union. This event, characterized by General Halleck's cautious approach and extensive entrenchments, became known as the Siege of Corinth. Union forces, including Major General William Rosecrans, later occupied the city. Another battle, the Second Battle of Corinth, took place on October 3rd and 4th of 1862, when Confederate Major General Earl Van Dorn attempted to reclaim the city. Corinth served as a refuge for escaped slaves referred to as contrabands during and after the war, earning recognition as a well-regarded settlement. During the Great Depression, a local specialty known as the slugburger emerged. Despite its name, this dish's origins are tied to resourcefulness during the challenging times rather than any connection to slugs. It was a product of meat stretching techniques using ingredients like bread, cornmeal, or cheaper meats to make ground beef last longer. Today, soybean meal is often used as an extender, and the slugburger has become a tourist attraction in North Mississippi. The annual Slugburger Festival, celebrated each July on the Alcorn County Courthouse Square, showcases this local delicacy. While the dish's name may be whimsical, it reflects the ingenuity of the South during times of adversity. South Tate Street, we see Mississippi Highway 145, and in keeping with Mississippi's highway naming scheme, we can surmise that this is an old alignment of US Highway 45 that has since been moved to a new alignment to bypass the heart of the city of Corinth. Here we cross US 45, which connects with US-72 in a diamond interchange. Also at this interchange, State Highway 2 comes in from the north and joins us in a brief concurrency. Here we leave the city limits of Corinth and Mississippi Highway 2 turns off to the left. We conclude today's video at mile 60. Thanks for watching. We've enabled channel memberships, so for just $1 or more a month, you too can help support our channel. Click the link in the description to join. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.